what just I saving here. So just I saving formatting and also just now I save in the title book. So see here, it is citing article here automatically comes. So if you have one cited, so you can do here. I'm writing here something like that. I open better. I open new. I will type here. I will type this one. Okay, like this. Okay, I will type in the word Mendley citation. Better I say. Okay, that is it. I open new format. Okay, so when I open the new format, I go for reference. Mendley cited here. Okay, here the citation is come. So if I click here like this, okay, this is my words. I copy from here. I copy from the site. I copy here. And I want to be cited something, but I save this article to Mendley. Okay, suppose I do citation here, something like that. So I click here to insert the citation. So see here, the citation is coming here. Okay, the citation is coming here. Okay, one citation. I just click Moringa leaf, something like that. I citation here. So like this, if suppose I want to be do cited here. After that, I want to do citation here. Just like I want to click here citation and save the changes. Okay, you see here, it is appearing here. Okay, like this. Two cited. Okay, suppose I want to do here. Okay, I put cursor here. This is my library. Huh? Okay, my library. So you put cited and enter. Okay. This one also. Like this. If you want to remove, you can remove also. Okay. This one, they have American Psychology Association, 7th edition. If you want to change, you can change IEEE. You can change IEEE, you change. To update the citation means here automatically it is update 1 and 2. See here, 1 and 2 updated. If you cited in any language, like more languages there, you can change also for citation based on that. Your citation style, if you want to change, so I change American Social, so update this one, so it is appearing like this. So this is the citation. Okay, citation. When you go down, same citation, I put reference here. For update citation, I need to be update reference. Okay, reference. So you put here again, insert the bibliography. Okay. Yeah, I have to click here. Okay, you click reference. Okay. Okay, it is adding here. Why references need should. Recently add references. Okay. Insert the bibliography and continue. This is automatically your references is appearing here. See, this is your references. This is your citation. You not do anything. This is your citation. 1, 2, 3, Ali, Batul, and Andy. The 3 citation is here. Okay, this is citation is here. Okay. Based on that 3 citation, the references is appearing here. Okay. Ali Akhtar like this. Start from A like this. Then they giving you the journal name. Okay, everything, and they are like this, Moringa leaf, something like that. And now this citation and references is appearing into the same window. Okay, same window. So automatically it is appearing Ali A. Akhtar, Batul, and UK. So this is about your references. Okay, you can be write like this. No need to write anything. The last page automatically, when you do the citation, it is appearing automatically. If suppose I want to do citation here. Okay, I want to do citation here. Okay. One, I want to do citation lifestyle also. Okay, like this. Save to changes. Okay. This changes is appearing there. So it is appearing here only. No, we don't. It's good. I want here. Yeah, I want to be do here. It is going to be here. Citation. Okay. So you can edit the reference later. I will show you this one. Changes. If you remove, this one also remove, huh? Okay. So basically, this is my reference manager. This is Mendley, this one is not there. Citation is not there. Okay, so this is my reference manager. So based on this reference manager, if I click here, click this one. Okay, so export, you can export to Microsoft Word. It's export into the Microsoft particular. This one is go to export to that Word document. Also, you can be do on that. Okay, if you want to delete, you can delete from here. Okay, recently added. This is recently added from this, but it is appearing to here also because this one Mendley I have it too. So this Mendley I am using last time, but it is not supporting nowadays. This is Mendley desktop. Mendley desktop. This is Mendley. This is Mendley desktop. This is not available, but this is also very useful for me. But it is synchronized with your